When you finally make your entrance to that city of jasper walls and bright gold avenues, as you behold all its beauty and splendor, remember there's just one request I make of you. Look for me, for I will be there too. I realize when you arrive, there'll be so much to view. After you've been there 10,000 years, a million, maybe two. Look for me, for I will be there too. As you go down your list of firsts, there's no question we're gonna wanna see our loved ones awaiting me and you. And when you feel you've shared your story with the last one that wants to hear you tell just how you made it through, look for me. I'd like to hear it too. I realize when you arrive, there'll be so much